Hey there, pizza lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the beloved pizza. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of pizza. Pizza is a dish that has been around for centuries, originating in Naples, Italy. It's a flatbread topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings, such as vegetables, meats, and seafood. The crust is typically round and thin, and the toppings are usually baked directly on the crust. Pizza is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit any taste. The possibilities are endless when it comes to toppings, from classic pepperoni to more adventurous options like pineapple and jalapenos. There's a pizza out there for everyone. When it comes to the crust, there are three main types: thin, thick, and stuffed. Thin crust is light and crispy, while thick crust is more doughy and hearty. Stuffed crust, on the other hand, is filled with cheese and sometimes other ingredients, making it a delicious and indulgent option. Pizza is not only a delicious dish, but it's also a part of many cultures and traditions. In Italy, pizza is often served with a side of olive oil for dipping, while in the United States, it's often served with a side of ranch dressing. Pizza is also a popular choice for movie nights, game nights, and even late-night snacks. It's a comfort food that brings people together and creates lasting memories. Now, let's talk about the art of making pizza. The dough is the foundation of a great pizza, and it's essential to let it rise properly before rolling it out. The sauce should be flavorful, not too watery, and the cheese should be fresh and melted to perfection. When it comes to toppings, less is often more. Too many toppings can make the pizza soggy and difficult to eat. The perfect pizza is a balance of flavors and textures, with each ingredient complementing the others. In conclusion, pizza is a dish that brings people together and brings joy to our lives. It's a versatile and delicious dish that can be customized to suit any taste. So, the next time you're craving pizza, remember to appreciate its history, its versatility, and its ability to bring people together. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food-related content. Until next time, happy eating!